Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is a screencast-o-matic presentation and recording that's meant to help you in Unit 6, Lesson 11 for Communism in China. We're going to basically be analyzing key vocab terms that'll help us understand communism in China even more. So for this part of the lesson, all we have to do are the following few tasks. Unscramble the words, put the correct word here, put the definition here, and put the illustration here. So please listen carefully to the following presentation. It's meant to help you and guide you in your completion of this part of the lesson. Let's get started here. So I think in many ways it makes more sense to go down here with the words first to establish what they mean and go one by one. So this is communism. And the basic belief of communism is this here. Political theory in which all property is publicly owned and each person his works are paid according to the needs. And it's implemented in many countries around the globe. So we're going to copy paste that down to here. And then we have to find the illustration. This is actually the illustration that correctly coincides with communism. So let's go ahead and place that right here. And then we have our first word done. So we can actually do two things here just for the sake of making this easier to follow along with. Let's just cross this one off here, shall we? All right, number 2. Okay, what might this one be? Boxer Rebellion is the answer. So let's put that in here. And where's the Boxer Rebellion? Well, the Boxer Rebellion is actually an armed and violent, anti-Christian, anti-imperialist insurrection in China. So let's copy paste that one and put that one here. Okay, Boxer Rebellion. I think the word is actually in the whole picture. So let's put that here. Okay. And there we are. Nice. Let's move on here. What might this word be? Four olds is the correct answer. So let's put that here. Okay, now what key definition defines the four olds? Elements of Chinese life that are meant to be destroyed. Ideas, culture, habits, customs. Let's copy paste that down here. And which one of these represents the four olds? It's actually this picture right here. This is propaganda detesting the four olds. Let's copy paste that there. You can adjust that later on. Let's go ahead and cross some of these off. We use this one. And we use this one. Next word here. Commune. What's the definition of a commune? Well, this actually pertains to, let me see, large units of production teams and brigades who share in wealth, the property, and occupation. So let's copy paste that one here. Move that down here for commune. And let's find the picture for commune. It's actually this right here. Everybody living and working together. And if you look closely at the pictures, you'll see some of the words that connotate the commune. So let's cross off the definition. And let's move forward. After commune, what is this? Steel is the word. What's the definition for steel? Alloy of iron with typically a few percent of carbon to make it strong metal material. Chinese produce this in their own property. Let's copy paste that definition and put that one down here. Steel. What's the picture? I think the picture that was supposed to coincide with steel is right here. There we go. So let's copy paste that, put that one here. Number 6 is Red Guards. What's the definition for Red Guards? Radical militant youth, I believe is what we're looking for. Brigades in communist China. So let's copy paste that one. And put that one down here. Red Guards, clipart. Let's see, where are we? Here we go. That's a Red Guard soldier. Let's copy paste that and put that one down here. Number 7 is spheres of influence. Definition. Let's try to find the best definition for this. Best definition would be a country or area in which another country has the power to affect economic developments. Let's put that one here. And there's the picture. And as you can see, there are the different countries who had spheres of influence in China. Okay, next here. This word is Soviet Union. What definition best coincides with the Soviet Union? I think it's actually one of the last words here, or definitions here. Federal Socialist State in Northern Eurasia that was China's ally and model for communism. Let's copy-paste that one. And put it here. Got to go back, I guess. Let's undo that. Here we go. Copy. Paste. There we are. Now let's cross this one off the list and find Russia. Or the Soviet Union. Here we go. So take that picture. Put that one down here. Next word is the Long March. Okay, what definition best coincides with the Long March? I believe it's the second to last definition. An iconic military retreat undertaken by the Red Army to evade and avoid the Kuomintang. So let's copy-paste that one down here. And there we are. Which one of these pictures might best illustrate the Long March? I believe it's this one right here. Number 10. Mao Zedong. What's the definition that best describes Mao? Let's go back up here to the top. Cross that one off. Chinese Communist Revolutionary, who was the founder of the Chinese Republic. Let's copy-paste that definition, move it down here, and let's find the picture for Mao. Mao is right here. So let's copy-paste him and move him right here. Next, 11 is Cultural Revolution. Which one of these definitions would best define the Cultural Revolution? Let's go back up here to the top. I believe we're talking about this one right here. Violent and social political purge movement in China from 1966 to 1976. Let's copy paste that. Move it down here to the bottom. There we go. And Cultural Revolution is best depicted here by this picture. And those images represent the different pieces of the propaganda movement that were part of the Cultural Revolution. Number 12. I think the word is intellectuals. And the best definition for intellectuals would be this: a professional or high-profile respected individual who is deemed a threat in Chinese Communist society. So let's copy-paste that term. Let's go down here at the bottom. And let's try to find the best clipart image that coincides with intellectual. This person right here. Designated with the light bulb and free mode of thinking. This word right here is re-education. And the definition that best represents re-education is up here. and it's training, implemented to change someone's beliefs or behavior. Let's copy paste that and go down here. And there we are. And the clipart image that best coincides to re-education is somewhere in here. Which I know we can find it. Oh, I think it's hidden. There we are. Let's copy paste that picture right here. And there's re-education. Next here is land redistribution. And the term that best coincides with land redistribution is, let's try to find it up here at the top. Efforts implemented to allocate property to all people in China and take away from powerful landowners. So let's put that down here. And the clipart image that best coincides with land redistribution is right here. Let's copy paste that. And once again, the little clues in the picture should have helped you understand that. Great leap forward is the next one here. And the definition for great leap forward is an economic campaign led by the Chinese Communist government to reconstruct the country through the people's communes. So let's copy paste that one, move it down here, and there we are. The clipart image that best coincides with the Great Leap Forward is right here. This is the propaganda that often appeared to designate the Great Leap Forward initiatives. Okay, so let's go back up here to the top, cross off these two definitions. We're coming down in the very end here. That's great. And let's go to our next words. So we have Little Red Book, the definition for Little Red Book, book of statements, speeches, and writings of Mao Zedong that all Chinese were required to read. Let's copy paste that, move that right here. The clipart image for Little Red Book is as follows. It's right here. Let's copy paste that and move it down here. Next one is famine. Let's try to find the best definition for famine. Hunger or starvation, which was quite common during Mao's rule. Let's copy paste that, move it down here. And the clipart image for famine is depicted right here. Okay. Next ones. Opium War. Which one of these definitions best? Oh, I think it's right here. Wars waged between Western powers and China over the trade development of a special poppy plant. So let's copy paste that definition and put that one right here. Oh. And the definition, or the image that most coincides to Opium War would be the opium poppy plant, which is right here. And then we have two more that we're going to try to fit in real quick. The Guomindang, it was not scrambled here for your convenience. So there you go. A definition for the Guomindang would be up here. Political party founded by Sun Yat-sen that governed until the communists took power. So let's copy paste that one and put that one here. And here's clipart image for the Guomindang right there. Let's copy paste that, put that down here. And self-strengthening movement is the next word, which is depicted by this image here. We will find a definition for that. Which is up here, period of institutional reforms meant to modernize China in the late Qing dynasty. Okay guys, so there you go. That is how you complete that part of the lesson. Thank you very much for tuning in, and good luck with completing the rest.